In today's video, we will be doing two things. We'll be inserting a table in Microsoft Word, then we'll be formatting the table. All right, so we're going to go up to the Insert tab, and we're going to go in the Tables group, and we're going to select this table option. Then there are two ways in which you can draw the table. You can use the table here to set out the table like this. I'm going to undo, or you can go table and select insert table. Now once you select insert table, you can indicate the number of rows that you want and the amount of columns that you want. I'm going to change the number of rows from 2 to 5, and for the number of columns I'm going to change it to 3. All right, gonna click OK. All right, now I'm gonna move down the table, right? So I can hover over until I see my cursor change, and then I can move it down. This is how you would move it, okay? Undo, or I'm gonna press OK. Now the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna merge these three um highlighted cells. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to come now, I'm going to select merge cells, okay? All right. Now, I'm going to color this merge cell. So I'm going to select my shading here, and I'm going to change it to yellow. Then I'm going to change this section to a different color. I'm going to put it in green, and here these three cells, we're going to change the color to blue, okay? We're going to put some information in the table now. So I'm going to click the first row, I'm going to click center, and we're going to label here, going to click center, going to write population in major towns. All right, so we're gonna label here, gonna click center, urban, gonna click center here, rural. All right. So we're gonna label this town Albert, town, Newtown, undo, Newtown, Maytown. All right, and here now, this would be the population for the urban section of this town. And we're going to say we have 200 persons there. Here we have 300 persons here, 400. And in the rural part of this town, we have 90, 70, 50. All right, what I'm going to do is format these cells so that they are centered. All right, so I'm going to center this. just like that, right? Now, if you want to add another row, what you would do, you can click here, then you right click, and you here it is insert, can insert a row, right? So a row below, okay? If you wanted to insert a column to the right, you would right click, insert columns to the right, and this is how you would do it, right? So maybe you could put here um 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 comments, um this is a new tone, this is an old tone, this one could be a old tone. And here now we can actually do the average if we wanted to. Average, right? So here I've added the calculated averages and I've typed them in, right? This needs to be merge and center this first row here. So I'm going to select there and I'm gonna click go back to home. Then I'm gonna let us right click, merge cells, right? So this is how you would insert a table and how you would format the table. We're also gonna increase this size of this font. Gonna put this at 18. Gonna put these at 14, right? And this is how you would format the table in Microsoft Word. I'm going to show you how you would delete a row. What you would do, you would use your mouse and you would select the row that you want to delete. Then you would right click and here it says delete here. It says, if you drop down arrow, you can see it says delete cells, delete columns, delete rows. If you click on it, there it is deleted, right? If you press undo, you'll get it back, all right? So I'm going to delete a column for you now. So you would right click, delete, and click here and delete columns. And there it is. Now you'd have to come back here now based on what happened here. You'd have to click here, insert rows above. Then you'd have to retype um, population in major towns. And what you'd have to do is merge and center, or merge cells, sorry. Then you'd have to change the font back to 18. Then you'd have to change the color to yellow. So this is how you would delete cells. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna show you how to delete a table, right? So we have the table here that we created and want to delete it. So what you can do, you can move your mouse to until you see that little icon appear, and when you click on it, it will select the entire um, table, right? And what you can do, you can right click with your mouse, and here you come down here now. You can select this icon that says delete the table. Then you can come down here and you click delete the table, and the table will be deleted for you. When we started to make our table, we should have written the word tone here, right? And we're gonna format it. The font size will be 14, right? And this would be centered. All right, so this is how we would complete our table.